6 retirement mistakes that you don't want to make. Disclaimer: we are not a CPA, financial planner, or attorney. This is not intended to be financial advice. Have you thought about the sequence in which you plan to withdraw income from your retirement accounts? An improper order of withdrawals could result in significant financial loss. A study from a large investment firm has found your investment could grow almost 7 times in 25 years had you hired a professional advisor. The study indicated that if you did it on your own, your investments could be worth nearly half of that same amount. So it is best to have a professional advise you on your portfolio holdings. Here are some of the ways you could be sabotaging your retirement income, and you may not even know it. Mistake number 1. Withdrawing from your investment income. If you first withdraw from your investments, it will take a lot more time for your retirement accounts to accumulate interest. If you access your 401k or IRA before full retirement age, you could lose out on years' worth of income from your retirement savings. This is something you really don't want to do in your old age when you need the money the most. Healthcare in your older years can cost significantly more later than it does today. While Medicare will pay for a lot of your health issues, it won't always pay for all of it. If you have a job, you should try keeping it as long as possible to let your investment income grow so that you will have supplemental income to pay for upcoming health issues. Mistake number 2. Withdrawing from your 401k and IRA before required minimum distributions are required. You are legally allowed to begin withdrawing funds from your 401k at the age of 59 and a half. Just because you're allowed to do this doesn't necessarily mean that you should. The government doesn't mandate taking required minimum distributions until you reach 72. So this is an opportunity for your money to continue growing with compound interest. Mistake number 3. Hiring an advisor who is not a fiduciary. A fiduciary is legally and morally obligated to act in the best interest of another person. If your advisor is not a fiduciary, you should do some research to find someone who is. If you call your investment company to get support, the person there may not always be a fiduciary advisor, so it would be best to seek one out. Mistake number 4. Accessing your Roth IRA before exploring their alternatives. Delay withdrawing funds from your Roth IRA for as long as feasible. You have already paid taxes on the funds in your Roth IRA. Therefore, withdrawals from it will not be considered as taxable income. Additionally, your Roth IRA will continue to grow tax-free as you withdraw from other accounts. As it holds funds that have already been taxed, the IRS does not require any further taxation on it, nor do you have to take any required minimum distributions. This means that it can keep growing as long as you don't make any withdrawals. Mistake number 5. Taking your Social Security before the age of 70. To receive the highest possible Social Security benefits, you should continue working until you reach your designated full retirement age. Just so you know, claiming Social Security benefits at ages 62, 66, or 67 will not provide you with the maximum amount for your retirement benefits. The highest benefits are available at age 70. If you claim earlier, you will not be receiving the full amount to which you are entitled. To make the most of this approach, we suggest waiting until age 70 to claim benefits, as payments will be the highest possible and will increase by approximately 8% annually for every year you wait. Seek guidance from a financial advisor to determine how and when Social Security benefits should be incorporated into your personal retirement plan. Mistake 6. Borrowing against your retirement or giving a loan to yourself. You will be reimbursing the interest on the loan back into the account, but you will lose the opportunity for potential gains. If you are unable to repay the loan within 5 years or before leaving your job, you run the risk of incurring income taxes and penalties for withdrawals. Before making any of the mistakes above, consult a fiduciary investment advisor to determine the optimal strategy for withdrawals. It is not very hard to find one of these advisors. You can do a simple Google search on the term fiduciary investment advisors near me, and you should see the names of several advisors in your area. It is best to get the opinion from several experienced professionals before making any long-term mistakes with your future retirement money. A possible valid reason for any early withdrawal would be if you have any serious terminal health issues. Thank you for watching our video. If you know somebody considering making early withdrawals from their retirement fund, we hope you share this video with them. It would be helpful if you click the like button and subscribe.